Hi, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to start dehydrating some peppers. What a beautiful harvest we had this year, but the seasons are changing, so it's time to keep up. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just got done ministering and I've come out to pick some peppers. Now I haven't picked peppers in a few days, maybe a week. And look at them, they're beautiful, changing colors. Just lovely. So I have picked some peppers and I am about to dehydrate them. So I just wash them, take the seeds out, cut them into some smaller pieces. I'm going to put them through my food processor and load them on my dehydrator. So I have been dicing peppers by hand, and I have a lot of peppers. So I wanted to show you can cut them up by hand, or if you have a food processor, you can put them in. While I was cutting up the peppers, I picked a very pretty pepper, good size, good flesh, good fruit, lots of meat inside. And I chose that one to keep the seeds, and I just took them, put them on a paper towel, let them dry, maybe 4 or 5 days. To store the peppers, I just put them in a little bag, labeled it, sealed with my flat iron, and they are good to go. And I will put them in my gardening seed container box for next year, which I will probably take out and start in February. Keep my seeds next to my wood stove. It really encourages me going through an Illinois long winter season. Seeds are important. These seeds are not treated, and we know that they came from live fruit. So they have a very good and high percentage of germination. And there's my bag of peppers. And look how pretty they are. Now, you can store these however you want. I take some and I dehydrate onions so that I have dehydrated peppers and onions, and I keep them in a mason jar because it's so easy for me if I'm cooking sausage or whatever I want, steak, even potatoes, whatever you use peppers and onions in, scrambled eggs, you just sprinkle some in. They rehydrate, then you cook as normal, and they are delicious. When you open this bag, it smells like a summer day. I also will grind some up, and then I will have just like pepper powder that I can sprinkle. I can sprinkle them on sandwiches. There's so many things that you can do. And during the summer, it is work, but all year round, you have delicious, fresh vegetables in ways that you can't buy in the store. You can put this in a salt shaker, ground up, and it's very handy, very easy to have. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video on dehydrating peppers, how to care for the seeds to grow peppers next year. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Give it a like, leave a comment. If you have any requests, let me know. And I hope you give it a try. There's nothing like fresh, grown vegetables. Thanks for watching.